Welcome back, Sweden, to your Career with Data Science channel. Today is Wednesday, October the 20th, 2021. It's time for your daily COVID-19 analysis. Before we get started, a big shout out to the 21 people who watched this video yesterday. That's 16 younger folks and 5 older folks who watched the video yesterday. Thank you so much. Of course, I have a few favors to ask. First of all, if you haven't subscribed, by all means, click the subscribe button now. What I'm asking to ask is really, really important. And that is that if you watch the video and you like the video, click on the like button next to the video, okay? It would be really great to get 21 likes for 21 views, okay? And third, if you really like the video and you like the Career with Data Science channel, click on the share button, share the video and the channel on Facebook and Twitter, and also emails and text messages, okay? Thank you so much for your time. Let's get on with the show now. Now, Sweden's numbers are kind of interesting because back in the summer, they switched from a 7-day reporting cycle to a 4-day reporting cycle. So they went from 7 days a week to Tuesday to Friday. But of course, the thing is, they're adding Saturday, Sunday, Monday's numbers on the Tuesday numbers, which I still, even though I saw an explanation, I don't understand why all of a sudden that had to be changed. Okay, but the point is, as you're going to see, their numbers are still pretty doggone good, even with the change in the counting method. Okay. So anyway, you can see that Sweden has passed its cases have passed its 2020 cases pretty handily. Okay, we can ask the question: how many of these people are vaccinated here, and what's the distribution over time of the data of cases? As over time, as the cases increased or decreased? Okay, as a change, a positive or a negative change? Okay. If we come over here and we look at deaths, well, this is good news because there's a very good chance that your 2021 deaths will not catch or pass the 2020 deaths. We can still ask the same question: how many of these people are vaccinated, and what's the distribution over time of these deaths? So let's take a look first of all. So now we come back over here, okay, to the daily cases, and you can see your daily cases spiked. Well, where did they spike at? Your daily cases spiked back over here. Well, no, because all these spikes, okay, these are all Tuesday's numbers. And you come down here, you can see the rest of the week down here. Okay, so we can't really, all we can really do with these numbers is maybe use them as a timestamp. So we can say sometime around the first, second week of May, your cases begin to decline. And they continue to decline about halfway through July. Then you saw a little bit of a speed bump here. It's a small one. But then the last few weeks, you've seen the cases begin to just decline again, but they do appear to be flattening out here now. So if you take a look at this on a 14-day average, you can see for the 14-day period ending October the 19th, we're averaging about 607 cases per day. Now, with deaths is a little bit more tricky, okay, because somewhere back along in here, they discovered some missing deaths from like the middle of the summer. Okay, and they added them back in here. So this spike here could be a result of those corrected numbers. But nonetheless, you can see that your numbers are beginning to fall back down. Deaths are beginning to fall back down a little bit. Once again, we look at the 14-day moving average, and we can see that that as of October the 19th, you were averaging 5.6 deaths per day, which is a pretty doggone good number for any country, okay? Let's be honest about that. Again, weekly cases. Now, if we look at monthly cases, you can see that, well, October is going to be the lowest number in 3 months, okay? What about deaths? Well, look how crazy. Look at it. You had a long declining pattern in deaths, or 6-month decline in deaths, a slight hiccup in September, but October is probably going to finish below this number, but above these two numbers here. Okay. So anyway, that concludes your report for today, Sweden. Again, thanks so much for stopping by. Again, a big thank you to the 21 people who watched the video yesterday. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Don't forget to click the like button. And third, don't forget to click on the share button, share the video on Facebook and Twitter, and emails and text messages. Thank you so much again for your time, Sweden. We'll see you tomorrow with an updated report.